Hi.
Oh, jeez. Coming on down.
Levi. Are you gonna say hi to the camera? Oh yeah. Oh, you don't want to say hi in the camera, or is it too windy? Yes. Oh. Okay, hang on me. This is kind of heavy. So we just got on the trail, and this little guy didn't want to walk, and he doesn't want to walk, and now it's like on me, like really nice and snuggy. But well, here's what it is. It's kind of windy out here. You can probably hear the sound of the wind. Oh, it's kind of cold. This camera's heavy. Okay, now he's running. I have to keep up. Look at this. He's running. Okay, probably it's not gonna stop. So let's run.
The geese? You want to see the geese?
It feels like these days the biggest struggle with this video and this whole thing is more like it's hard to get motivated when there's nothing to do. You're like not self quarantine because I'm not sick, but you know, a lot of stuff are closed. You can't really go anywhere. Parks are closed. Yeah, so I think that has been the biggest challenge at this time. You know, sometimes I just come out to some of the park, like some place I can walk around in those areas to get a little bit motivated. And there's some geese and interesting looking duck. I don't know exactly what species it is, but yeah, they're cool. I feel like this is like the bird kind of paradise in my town. There's a lot of like birders, like the bird watchers in the morning. You know, those like people who wake up so early. Yeah, I probably should wake up sometime and then come here to see the birds. Oh, well. Okay, I need to run. Okay, let's run. Let's go. Let's go.
I'm gonna get you and Daddy.
Let's go. Ready? Have to run again. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my kind of daily workout routine. Usually happens in the house in my living room. He has to run, and I have to follow, or my wife. Whew. Do you want to say hi to the camera? Say hi. Yay! I got my son's eyeing on the camera. Yes. He kind of believes that there's sharks in every kind of big lake and a river that he sees. Kind of funny, like really cute. I'm already tired.
He said pink rocks, Dad. Did you say pink rocks?
I really hope that this COVID-19 just finish early. I mean, hopefully it just goes away. Around this time of year, we usually go for a nice long hike. Go find some find some walk at the provincial parks and kind of stuff. But right now, we really haven't been able to do that at all. We go to like walk in some neighborhood park, some neighborhood walk, but it feels like it's not enough. Not enough at all.
I